Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm J.C. Jensen. Are you a physically or mentally combat wounded warrior? If so, the Purple Heart Project and Rob Cosman want you. So I served in the Army for just over 20 years. I was a tank fighter, deployed around the world, all these wonderful different places. Participated in OIF 0709 as a tank platoon sergeant. I was fortunate enough to deploy with my 16 soldiers, and very fortunate to bring them all home safe. Since then, I've retired from teaching building construction, and now I'm here in my workshop. I spend most of my days in here, where I work with both power tools and hand tools. And the hand tool woodworking I recently discovered, and I discovered Rob Cosman, and looking for ways to improve my hand cut dovetail work. Once I discovered Rob, I dug into what he had going on over there in his place in Canada, and that's where I discovered the Purple Heart Project. In the Purple Heart Project, here's the deal. Each year they select about a platoon-side element of combat wounded warriors and provide them with a scholarship, a wonderful scholarship, all expense paid scholarship to learn hand tool woodworking. It can be life-changing, and I truly mean that. While I'm in here in my shop, whether I'm cutting dovetails, using my saws and my chisels, doing layouts for dovetails or other projects, planing wood, whatever, I'm working with my hands. The hand tool woodworking, one of the things that's nice about it is it's quiet. Doing the work clears your mind because you're focused on doing quality work on whatever your particular project is. It quiets all the noise from what's been spinning around in there from your service, from my service. It helps me. So it's a great opportunity to learn a skill that will provide you with a completed project, but the peace of mind and the joy of working with wood and hand tools. There's, with hand tools, like I said, it's quiet. It's not, I do have power tools and I run them and they're loud and they're noisy and I wear my hair protection and all that great, wonderful stuff. But hand tool woodworking is just satisfyingly peaceful. And the end results can be amazing, and it's a life changer for me. So in addition to just going and learning the process, this scholarship also provides each selectee with a full kit of tools. These tools are approximately a value of about $5,000. It's free. There you go. Learn how to use the tools that you're going to be given, take them home, and apply what you've learned. Also, once you selectees, once they return home, they will each receive a custom-built workbench. So if you don't have a place to use your tools, i.e. a workbench, they're going to provide one to you for free. And then there's there's continued support throughout your woodworking journey. So I highly encourage you, go to thepurpleheartproject.org. There's a link at the bottom, as well as a flyer I'm going to post. Give it a look. I think you'll find it extremely satisfying and hopefully bring you peace of mind. Thanks for stopping in today. Special thanks to Rob Cosman and his team for putting on such a wonderful program. I look forward to attending it myself one day.